Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox assets not loading problem. So if your game isn't loading properly or missing textures, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, find Roblox on your computer. Right-click on it and select Properties. At the top, click on the Compatibility tab. Now, check both options, Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Next, open your browser. We're going to clear Roblox cache files from there. Simply go to the top right corner, click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security, then tap on Third-Party Cookies. After that, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now, at the top, you'll see a search bar. Type Roblox into the search. When it appears, click the trash icon next to it, then confirm by clicking Delete. This step will log you out, so you'll need to sign back into your account afterward. Now, we also need to clear cache files directly from your PC. Press the Windows key plus R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %local_app_data% and click OK. This will open a folder. From here, find the Roblox folder. Just press the R key on your keyboard to quickly find the Roblox folder. Now, right-click on it and delete it to clear the cache. And that's it. Once you're done, open Roblox again and check if the assets loading problem is fixed.